Hi guys, what's up everybody? Praise Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, kindly subscribe and join the family. Today's recipe, I'm going to cook chicken restaurant way. Let's go through my ingredients. We have sugar, we have all-purpose flour, red onions, hot pepper, green onions, carrots, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, half kg of chicken, corn flour, vinegar, chicken masala, bay leaves, paprika, garam masala, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and an egg. Let's start by marinating our chicken. Start by adding corn flour, two tablespoons of corn flour. Next, I'm going to add all-purpose flour. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then I'll add garam masala. Followed by paprika. Then chicken masala. Soy sauce. Sugar. Just a tablespoon of sugar. Vinegar. An egg. Salt. Start to combine all the ingredients. Cover with a cling film and allow to rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. Minutes on, remove from the fridge. In a wide pan, preheat some cooking oil. Shallow fry your chicken. To shallow fry the other side. Once crunchy, remove and keep aside. side. Using the same pan, I'm going to add some red onion. I'm going to add red onions. I've reduced some oil. Add hot pepper. Add garlic paste. Followed by ginger paste. Add some sugar. Add tomato paste. Add dark soy sauce. Add carrots. Add green and red bell peppers. Add the green onions. Salt to taste. Add chicken masala. Add 2 leaves of bay leaves. Add paprika. Add your chicken. give a good stir to combine. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. My chicken is already done, and this is a restaurant way. I'm going to take mine with spaghetti. Kindly don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers by sharing with friends. Feel free to request any recipe you love to see me posting, and enjoy the videos. This is delicious. And short. Thank you so much for watching till the end. God bless you. See you until my next video, and Merry Christmas.